Today I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you want to make your PDFs interactive, allowing readers to click directly to websites, resources, or other documents without having to manually copy and paste URLs. Let's start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer and logging in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll be ready to access all the features we need for this tutorial. Now navigate to Recent Files. This section displays all the PDFs you've been working with lately, making it easy to find what you need. From there, select the file you want to add a hyperlink to. Once your document opens, you'll see the editing tools become available in the upper left toolbar. Click on Edit. This activates the editing mode and gives you access to all the text and link tools you'll need. Next, highlight the text you want to add a hyperlink to. This could be a word, phrase, or even a sentence that you want to make clickable. After highlighting your text, look over to the left panel and click on More. This opens up additional editing options that aren't immediately visible in the main toolbar. From the options that appear, click on Link, then select Add or Edit Link. This is the feature that will allow you to create your clickable hyperlink. You'll need to highlight the text again that you want to add the hyperlink to. This step confirms exactly which portion of text will become interactive. Now navigate to Link Type, then click the drop-down menu beside it and select Invisible Rectangle. This option ensures that the link area covers just your text without adding any visible boxes or frames that might clutter your PDF's appearance. Next, navigate to Highlight Style, then click the drop-down menu beside it and select Outline. This setting controls how the link will appear when readers interact with it, giving them a subtle visual cue that the text is clickable. In the Link Action area, click the circle beside Open a Web Page. This tells Adobe that your link should direct readers to an online URL rather than another page in the document or a different file. Once you've selected that, click Next to proceed to the URL input stage. Now it's time to enter the URL link in the text field. Type or paste the complete web address you want the link to direct to, making sure it includes the full URL with http:// or https:// at the beginning. After entering the URL, click OK to save your hyperlink settings. In order to test your hyperlink and make sure it's working properly, click the X in the upper left corner. This closes the editing mode and returns you to the normal viewing mode where links become active. Now click the text that has the hyperlink you just created. A security prompt will appear asking for permission to open the external link. Click Allow to confirm, and your browser should open to the URL you specified. And there you have it. You've successfully added a functional hyperlink to your PDF document. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.